Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and today I am again back with a one more new video. As you all know, I am making videos on this book. The name of the book is The Laws of the Spirit World, and this book is very nice. Okay, so in yesterday's video we covered how we died and the realms of the spirit world, this part. And in today's video I will be covering the seven realms or planes. Okay, so for more updates you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906, ABHIMANYU BHA TTACHARJE 1906, and you can also mail me at abhimanyubhattacharjee1906 @gmail.com. Okay, so I will start with today's video. Okay, 21/4/1981, 21 April 1981, the seven realms or planes. If you come here after a short or long illness, your departed friends and relatives may be around to welcome you. Okay. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling, for example, if we are ill or if we are not feeling well, so whenever our soul leaves the body, our loved ones, departed souls are standing there to welcome us and to take us in the spirit world. But if your death is sudden, they may take a while to come down to welcome you, but you can be sure they will come. Okay, here they is telling, if our sudden death happens, for example as accident, as Vipsi and Rato it happened, so our loved ones and departed ones will take time to come because they will also not get updates, no, but surely they will come to welcome us. Except if you are in the lower realm, in the case, don't expect any good souls to welcome you. Evil soul, however, will be ready to take you to low realms. This is very interesting point. They are telling, if we are into a lower realm, if you go in a lower realm as we can say hell or something, so there is nobody, no good soul to welcome us, but all evil souls are there to pull us down in the lower realm, but no good soul will come there. So now here there are seven realm or plane in the spirit world. In each realm there are 10 stages from 0 to 9. So realm 1 0 would mean realm 1 stage 0. Okay, so here Vipsi and Rato is telling there are total 7 realms. 7 realms. And in each and every realm there are 10 stages. Means in one realm there will be 10 stage, second realm there will be 10 stage, third realm there will be 10 stage, fourth realm there will be 10 stage. In this way, fifth realm there will be 10 stage, sixth realm there will be 10 stage, and even seventh realm there will be 10 stage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9, 10. So now I'm now Vipsi and Rato is telling about the realm 1. Okay, realm 1 is the lowest and the darkest and also the nearest to earth. It is the most horrible place. There are bare rocks with crawling creatures, human souls with disfigured bodies and horrible mind, full of bad feeling. Their body are much heavier than our, and they live in a barren world, crawling about one rock in pitch darkness. They never see even a tiny spark of light any time. Vipsi and Rato is telling the realm 1 is very horrible. It is lowest to the human realm, and even there those creatures stays, their body is more heavier than our body, and it is a very horrible place to stay. So always let's pray to God, always do good karma so that we can go in the higher realm. So one realm is very horrible, as Vipsi and Rato said in this book via Khurshid Bhavnagari. Realm 2. is also horrible but not as dark as Realm 1. Nor are the bodies so heavy or disfigured. They also live in rocky caves, hating each other and using fitty terrible language, seeing no light or good things. So, Realm 2 is also very horrible, but their body is not that heavier than Realm 1. So, you can say it is better than Realm 1, but it is also very much horrible. So, let us also not go in the Realm 2. Realm 3. Realm 3 is still better, but yet there is no light. So, there is no light in Realm 3. It's full of darkness. The bodies are lighter than Realm 1 and 2, and their bodies are little bit lighter than Realm 1 and 2. The atmosphere is extremely heavy and foggy, and their body look human but are older looking and imperfect. So their body, those souls are staying in Realm 3, their body look heavier than us and they look older and imperfect. The soul on the Realm 3 have bad feeling for each other and they blame each other for everything. So those who are staying in Realm 3, they do not feel good about each other. They keep on blaming each other for everything. They catch souls who have arrived on the Realm 3 for the first time and make this soul their slaves. So in there also it happens when a new soul come in the Realm 3, those soul make those soul their slaves, forcing them to help them in their evil way. So whatever evil thoughts they have, they try to fulfill those new through those newcomer souls, those who have entered that world. Realm 4 is an in between realm. It is more or less like Earth, where there is both night and day. It is the realm in which human soul starts its life journey. So, Realm 4 is like us only, like Earth world, where there is darkness also and light also. As here in the Earth also, day also happen, night also happen. There are good souls, there are bad souls. Even same is there in Realm 4. You are given a chance to go up or down from Realm 4 stage 5 and it is entirely in your hand. So in the Realm 4 we get a chance to go up or down. It is entirely in our hand. We should go up or we should go down. Realm 5. Realm 5 is the beginning of heaven, which is like a beautiful place on earth. There is little brightness in the sky at all. Time, soul on the realm are helpful to each other. Their bodies are much lighter and there are no deformities. So, Vipsi and Rato is telling the realm 5 is like a very good place in earth. For example, we feel some heaven place like Ladakh or Shimla. Beautiful place. Even in earth where a beautiful place. So it is like some of the beautiful places in the earth. So their bodies are perfect, those who are in the Realm 5 and they help each other. And now I will come to the Realm 6. Realm 6 is very beautiful. Of wonderful bright green grass, trees and flowers of color you cannot see on earth. It is always bright throughout like a sunny day. The soul have nearly perfect, very light bodies and they all live in harmony and love. So Ripsi and Rato is telling Realm 6 is very nice where there is always day, where there is always sunlight and every soul is helpful and they help each other. They are of helping nature, helping each other and doing work that they love. If you are on the Realm 6 and above, your subconscious mind, what you all conscience, what is your true spiritual mind will work in such a way that it will stop you from committing those sins on earth that would take you lower than Realm 4. So this is very interesting. They're telling if we are in the Realm 6, in earth also we will never do any wrong things which will take us lower than realm 4. So we will always try to do good karma so that we go in the upper realm. And it will always, our subconscious mind will always be active, and we will be in our life also we will always decide, are we doing anything wrong. We will ask us question, and we will say that we don't want to do anything wrong, that we go lower than the realm 4. So our subconscious mind will always be active and help us in doing good karma if we are in realm 6. Realm 7 is the highest. The people on the earth could never even imagine how beautiful it is. The beauty of realm 7 has to be seen to be believed. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling realm 7 is the most beautiful place. Even we soul on the earth cannot even imagine how realm 7 would be. It is beyond any power of description. Means nobody, even Vipsi and Ratu, we also cannot describe how good it is. Yes, it is beyond imagination. Souls on this realm have the brightest, most perfect, young looking spirit bodies. So the soul on this realm are having very young looking bodies, and they are very helpful in nature. They are as light as cloud. They live utmost harmony and love. It is more than a heaven. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling their body is very light. They look very young and they live in a harmony. And they are lighter than clouds also, their bodies. After realm 7, what? We don't know, just as people on the earth don't know much about the spirit world. After realm 7, stage 9, we do not reincarnate. We do not reincarnate anymore on the earth, but our spiritual journey continues. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling after realm 7, stage 9, we do not reincarnate in this earth. But still our spiritual journey begins. Our spiritual journey doesn't stop. Those on the realm 7 are almost perfect purified soul, but if they reincarnate on earth and somehow since even a little, they have to go down to realm 5 or 6. So it is always in every soul's own hand whether to take God good path or go down the evil dark path. So they are telling even a soul, if he or she is reincarnated after coming in realm 7 also, if they do wrong karma, they even could go in realm 5th and 6th. So it is always in our hand. So we should take godly path or we should go in a wrong path, right? So today's topic was very interesting, and I am very happy I'm reading this topic. So today we covered this topic, the 7 realms of the planes. Okay, this is the topic, and our next topic is our real homes. This is the next topic, which is our real homes. So this I will be covering in the next video. As I said you, the book is this long and I cannot make all the full book in one video. So what I am doing is I am doing part by part, and I am recording it in single video, so you guys can understand and you guys can see each and every video, so you can enjoy. Okay, and you can if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, because I look to each and every comment and I give answer to each and every comment. And for more details, you can subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press the press like on my video, so that whenever my new notification comes, I will come to know, and you will come to know whenever my new notification comes. Okay, so I hope everybody is fine. Okay, bye guys, bye, have a nice day.